Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by accessing Safari's search settings on the device you're using. On iPhone, open Settings and tap Safari, then look for Search Engine. On Mac, launch Safari, choose Safari in the menu bar and pick Preferences, then the Search tab. Once there, pause and confirm the search engine you prefer is available in the list. This step gets you to the control that actually changes results, so don't skip it. Now select the new search engine from the drop-down in that search section. You can tap or click the menu and choose one of the installed options. Once chosen, Safari will route queries to that provider. Make sure to test by opening a new tab or using the URL/search bar to confirm behavior. If you use iCloud and multiple devices, changing on one may sync across devices, so choose where you want the change to take effect before proceeding. Finish by verifying that searches now use the selected engine. Type a term in the address field and observe the provider. If Safari still shows the old engine, inspect installed profiles, management software, or extensions that can override search settings. Once done, restart Safari or reboot the device to force the setting to refresh. If problems persist, disable extensions one at a time and recheck. That usually reveals what's blocking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.